go ahead and tap our spring compressor onto the spring. I'm going to go ahead and use our wrench and tighten this down, compressing the spring, and this should let us go ahead and pull the spring out from the door. Once we have that spring compressed enough, we should be able to go ahead and remove this from the door. I want to go ahead and loosen our tool here and remove that spring. Always suggested to have safety glasses when doing something like this. And we have our new coil set up in our compressor. Let's go ahead and compress that down. Next, we want to set this into place. So our spring is going to go on our tab right here, our little notch. And on the door side, if you run your finger in there, you're going to feel a little dome of sheet metal on the door. That's where this round port or section of the spring is going to fit. I'll go ahead and work this up and inside. Let's go ahead and use our gear wrench here. I'm going to get this on here and we're going to open up our tool. I want to make sure that our spring is up and inside here. Go ahead and tap this up into place, like so. Make sure that the spring is seated, both spots, and you're all set.